Hello guys, how to make a happy meal. First, get this. Put the patty in the bowl. Be careful you might be hot. Be burned. Then get the bun in the pot. And put the patty. The customer just wants tomato and pickles. Okay.
Maya-maya pa.
Put the top bun on the top.
Hindi kayo nagkamali.
Second, get the frozen fries
Paano kayo
and
nagka-decision
put it on the fryer. Be
Be
careful you might
perspective.
be careful.
If there's
Be careful you might be burned.
working years would do better than me. You feel me?
Get the fry and put it on over here.
Ilang sandali pa.
Help nanay, kids!
Naligtas. Nung
Third,
nagbigay ng instruction
let's
si
cook
Kuya,
the
nakita ko
popcorn.
na nakuha agad ni Ashley
And
and then
okay, it's done. It's already on the container, okay?
hindi lang sa taas.
Next one, Sprite.
Siguro nag-base lang doon talaga tayo dun sa mga nakita natin sa taas. Agree naman
Okay,
ako sa
the
partner
Sprite
ko
is
din
on
guys.
there.
Ano,
Okay, let's pack it.
I agree with what you guys said. I would really rearrange myself because my girl.
But don't
And
forget
just the point
the toy. Confetti and confetti.
Because siguro sa ganung part, magaling naman akong sumunod ipapagawa sa akin. Ako, mabilis lang na out of focus.
No, done. Done. So, let's close it up and shake it.
Compared to you guys, all of us are good listeners. But if we really love you, that would be answer.
Okay, it's done. I solved it. And look at how much I earned.
Ang aking sinabi sa
1,000! Yay! So, bye-bye!